Right, we're at Pacific Palisades. So if I come up here, it looks fine to me. What's the problem? Terrible joke, I know. It's not even a joke, is it? Oh, have you seen that? The state of the fires over there? Jesus. That's because they all build timber homes. Timber-based homes. Wow, but it's all completely different here now. Holy crap. Do you know anyone in the fires? Gosh. Those poor Hollywood stars. How is anyone going to rebuild their 50 million mansion with 100 million? Awful situation. And the problem is that, it's all well and good to make fun of Hollywood stars, but there's an awful lot of people that are employed because of them that aren't Hollywood stars. Horrible. Think about them. What about the poor staff that were covering up for Jeffrey Epstein and... Oh, it's too controversial. I won't talk about that. It's fine. Let's go for a ride around the beach like we remember. Where are we? Will Rogers Beach State Park, you know. Gosh. Everybody's on the highway going to work. There's only a few people parked at the beach. What time's it here then? Oh, it's afternoon now. We're going home. Oh, my boiler went out. So it was really cold this morning here. Luckily, I bought a smart electric heater in this room. So I'm not too worried. It's not freezing and I'm okay with the heater. And I spend all my time in this room anyway. And I've got one in the bedroom that's a smart heater. So, those rooms are okay. I'm not too bad. The only thing I'm worried about though is the heating for the hot water. We've got like a water tank. And the water heats up in there, so if the boiler's not working, I can't have a shower, can't do the washing up, that kind of thing. But I've got a dishwasher, screw the washing up, and I've got those fresh wipes, the adult wipe things, wet wipe things, for, if you're travelling or in a caravan or a trucker or you're disabled and you can't do a shower, they're really useful. But when I feel like I've got the energy, I like to go for a shower. If I know I don't have to do anything the rest of the day, I can expend the energy on the shower. Well, it's not necessarily the shower that takes up all the effort. It's the drying. Oh, so much effort after the shower. It'd be nice if you could just live in the shower, all day. Actually, it wouldn't be nice, but one can hope. Where are we? What's that? Temescal Road. I don't even know what that is. I decided to go on the cycle to warm my body up a bit. Oh look, these are the houses that are on fire, the ones on hills. Gosh, what a nightmare it must be. I blame Diddy, trying to get rid of the evidence. Do you know, I wouldn't put that past them though. I've got $1 billion, so let's burn down Hollywood Hills. That will save him $3.50. It's the American way. Oh, don't be so mean. I don't care. Oh, shit, I fell from the road then. You see that? Look, it's messing up. Let's go over here, it might be better. Oh, it's only 8 in the morning. Like, if we go over here. Come on in. There we go. Here. Oh, it's still 8:19. 8:22-ish. What's it? All those hills? Because of the height. Because heat rises, flames rise, and there's loads of wind. Just a perfect storm for a firestorm, right? When I was in LA last, I was out looking at, I was at Paramount Studios, was it? I can't remember. And at that time, I used to smoke cigarettes, and I was having a cigarette outside, and I got told off, so you can't smoke out here. It's like you can't see across the hill to look at the Hollywood sign because of the pollution from cars, but you're not allowed to smoke outside. Does that make sense? Luckily, I gave up smoking because of the disgusting, stinky habit. Oh, I think they may be all gone now, look. All above the brush, that stuff will catch on fire so easily. I was watching a video this morning saying that there isn't enough firefighters because they were so concentrated on having a diverse fire force, or what is it, firefighting force. Make sure they've got less white people, more rainbow people. Let's cut 20 million off the water budget. Look how much money I'm making, Mum. I wonder why there aren't enough firefighters and there aren't enough water to fight the fires, even if they can get there. Do you think... Oh dear. Poor people. What a nightmare it must be though, living there, because you have no choice. Like, if you work for like a film company or a catering company even, all your employers now do not employ you. Gosh. Like all these houses are only amazing, look at my lovely mansion. Look at your pile of ash. Oh dear. I feel really bad for them, however I feel about them as individuals. Just trouble. Trauma is trauma. You know what I mean? You don't get fixed from trauma because you had some success. Sometimes you have success because of trauma. Oh, I'm in the sea. Now I'm back. Yeah, but all these buildings, they must be all on fire. Where is this? Yeah, I think around here, like near Palisades down behind me. Down there. But look, there's wood everywhere. All the houses have got wood frames. What's that? The Getty Villa. car. Can you imagine that whole grass bank? Look at it. In the sun all day, going really dry. Woof. Blimey. Oh, I'm glad I've got a heater in this room. It's very cold outside. I was trying to do something, I said I've got some eyelets on my tent flap, so I don't have to zip it up. I can just attach the eyelets, like C-clips and stuff. And my hands were so cold yesterday, I couldn't use the machine to squeeze the eyelet. And I couldn't thread the string through the hole, or the rope, or the cord, or whatever. I had to give up. Luckily, I predicted that would happen, so I did one at the beginning, one at the end, and then two in the middle, before I did all the rest, so I could secure it with those only, just for now. I'm hoping it will be dry later, and then I can finish it off later. I've got some little carabiner clips and spring things. Hopefully they will do the job. And if not, I had an idea this morning. I could cut a wire coat hanger and just use little metal clips for it, Cut it up and make little C-clips, and then I run a hole in one and hole the other, and it holds the flap closed-ish. Whatever happens, I've got a solution, I'm pretty sure. But it was well windy the other day, holy crap. Like, even with the two mobility scooters in the shelter tent thing, the wind almost blew all the way. It shifted the tent for sure, and I went outside for my delivery box. I got outside the kitchen door, and it was halfway up the path, and that was attached. I put the hose through it, so it would hold it to the wall, and it detached the end of the hose from the box, and it blew halfway down the walkway. I thought, bloody hell. Ooh, I've got calzones for dinner today. I've got to wait for my delivery from DVD. The calzone kitchen. I've got that for probably lunch and dinner today. I like them. They're very nice. Right, 5 miles done. I do more than 5. Oh, look, I'm at 41, that's why. Oh, I just got right to the end of the thing there as well. Let's do a snapshot while I'm here. And but that's where we were. This is where we went. Santa Monica. Ah, yeah. Yeah, there's the Getty Villa we went past. Pacific Palisades. Loads of fires. Let's have a look here. Let's go to... Oh, there. Let's go to a browser. They got... Is it working yet? Yeah, let's have a look at Hollywood Find locations. Oh dear, look at the state of it. God, blimey. Wow. Okay. Breakfast time.